Welcome to the little show that couldn't. I am Jozef K. Richards.
I am Matt Henry.
Oh, hi. I'm Reuben Glaser.
And I'm Ryan Dewerth.
This is number 7. This was our actual Halloween special. The final release in October. I believe it was October 25th.
October 25th. Yep.
And 2013.
This is Ghost Bustin'.
Ghost Busted.
Ghost Busted.
Yeah, bustin' makes me feel good, but
Me too.
this is just...
You ever ghost bust where you just like come but nothing comes out?
Yeah, I ghost busted.
Yeah, I ghost busted. So how many views did we get on this bad boy?
Some might say plenty of ghosts watched it.
Oh.
That was a stretch. Anyways, we had 158 views on here in the first week, and to date we are at 350.
Damn.
So
I'm really
Yikes.
got a little bit
sad.
over half of our views in 7 days
Wow.
out of 4.5 years.
This was a really, really good episode.
Yeah.
I point to it as one of the things I was involved with that I'm most proud of.
Yeah. I enjoyed it a lot. I think the feedback from people that saw it at the time was great. Everyone
And just
that I know.
not to give anything away, but I feel like this might have one of the best surprises out of anything in the series.
I enjoy watching people's reaction when they see that. Although, geez, when you hear those numbers.
Yeah.
This
it's
one
weird,
sucked to film, too. It
300
was
and-
god-awful to
We'll
film.
get to that. Well, let's start this.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
All
start
right.
this
So
up.
you guys got it all queued up.
Ghost Busted, number 7. We're here at the beginning. We've got our Halloween King's Tower again, and we are going to start it right now.
Also, in the last episode, I erroneously said that those images of the pumpkin, the alien with the kissable lips, and the bat only appear once. They appear twice.
Yes, but this
Yeah,
time
you were wrong.
we've got our first and one of the only deviations from the main theme. But this is done just by Jackson Shepard. But it is actually it's based on the theme song is called "Feel the Pulse" by Blue Sway, and this is based on that. But obviously, very stylized.
That could not have
And
been
there's
any
some-
more Halloween
I love
if
it.
you tried.
I love
Like,
it.
it was
And
the most Halloween
And the
thing I've
font
ever seen.
actually, the font is the same 2 fonts that I used in the opening credits of the Amateur Monster movie.
Mhm.
Ooh.
So, oh yeah, even more skeletons in that
Yep.
tree now.
Jeez,
Yeah, we
I
went all
didn't
out.
even remember that they multiplied.
I also forgot that, even though I just watched these.
I don't remember that at all.
Yeah.
What did you
that's
write on
funny.
that shirt again? I forgot.
Matt is the best cowboy.
Yes, that's
Yep.
right.
That's what it was. You remembered. I had to think about it. I am the best cowboy.
And he has
Yes,
a
he is.
grenade tied to his neck there.
Yeah. Yep.
I think all that's still sitting in like a pile in the corner of my basement.
Did Joseph, you just mentioned a stepmother that you don't really have, right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Weren't we gonna have a recurring joke where you just have this really big family?
Yeah, well, I remember we definitely planned to reference that again, and we never do.
I like it better
And
that
like,
way.
and I just think it's funny that I have a stepmother without having a wife. Or I guess.
Mother-in-law. The mother-in-law.
Oh yeah, that's what I say is
Yeah.
my mother-in-law.
Yeah, it's your mother-in-law.
Yeah, it's not my stepmother. It's my mother-in-law.
But we never talk about you
Right.
having a
That's
wife
that's
ever.
why. Yeah, that's why it's funny.
And what, she's like sick too? Like that's why I don't remember what the joke was. Like she's in the hospital or
Saving
something.
Private Ryan.
Yeah,
Club.
that's also very funny to me. If you've seen Full Metal Jacket. That's kind of
Not Full Metal
that's a
Jacket.
recurring thing where I correct Matt or Reuben sort of under my breath after they
And then
say
just keep
something
things
wrong
moving,
about
yeah.
pop culture.
If you have any information, if you've seen Samuel Angus or Mackenzie Fletcher, you need to find it. This is my rifle. There are many like Desomorphine or crocodile.
Who is getting the images at this point? That almost looks like something you would draw. Joseph,
Yeah, no, I think you still were. I don't think
where the hell did I get that one then?
I would have picked that one.
Where the fuck did I find that?
If I had to say, that looks like a Reuben
Yeah, I was
choice.
thinking.
Well, all right. I don't know what search terms I could have used to find that. Dumb crocodile?
Probably crocodile.
I think dumb crocodile. I think that's
Okay,
what you
dumb
probably
crocodile. Oh, fucking hell, I forgot we used that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Happy
man.
Halloween,
Get it away.
motherfuckers.
I don't remember that at all.
We
God.
go to the shreddies right now.
Oh, boy. Boy.
Oh, is that company still around?
I just saw this advertised again, actually. And I
Okay.
remember-
Oh, man.
Yeah.
So, viewers, let us know if you've tried out the Shreddies and what you think.
Yeah.
Post on our forum.
Now, incidentally, the image here Matt found. He
I just had
He
it.
just had it on his
Yeah, I
computer.
just had it.
Oh, really?
Just
I
had
thought
it in
that was
his-
from like a
in his
actual
files.
Shreddies ad or
No, it might have been. It might have been.
That a majority of Americans favor the legalization of marijuana.
something. Yeah. Yeah, that crocodile.
Crocodile.
Crocodile? What the
Crocodile.
fuck was it again?
Crocodile. Just
Crocodile?
crocodile without an E. Crocodile, I think.
Yeah. That was a good sound effect for that.
It was a good
That
sound
was free
effect.
sound again.
Oh,
did you notice, guys?
shit.
Did you guys see?
Yes, we.
Did you guys notice how it
Get that.
showed up?
That's a hell of a thing.
Everybody hates the Simpsons ghost. Oh, I forgot that bat was attached to the top of it.
Me too. I think we curled that back at some point. I like the idea that the Simpson ghost is producing blood that's not from us. We're not cutting ourselves. It's just coming. It's
Right.
ending up on our hands.
Yeah. I'm not even cut. It's just blood.
Two people last week, and we're trying to get them back.
And also, one interesting thing, my dead grandmother, rest in peace, gave me that shirt, and I remember specifically picking that and wearing it and being like, she'd be proud of this. I know this is going to be a good one. I know this is going to be a good episode. I'm just going to write on it with Sharpie that I'm the best cowboy.
Well, you are.
Which, again,
though.
I am.
You
yeah,
are.
yeah, exactly.
Nice.
So, Reuben, come on up. Don't worry.
Yeah, that is a true souvenir shop shirt.
Very cool cop.
Yes.
Matthew McConaughey or something.
Ruben, you got a good line here.
Whoa! What is that doing back here? What is that? Somebody like super glued it.
Always brushing things off.
Right here.
Just the way you're like pacing back and forth. Like.
I'm really manic in this episode.
Loose blood.
Yeah, I love.
Loose blood?
We had a lot
Yeah.
of loose things on the show.
Oh yeah, I
Loose
think, and
is
it
a
all
good
I
word.
think comes from this. I think this
Loose
the
blood was a
first.
big one, yeah.
Boys, too. We always use the word boys.
And especially loose boys.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Loose boy. It's my favorite type of boy.
You don't want to be dealing with a loose boy. My commitment to this episode is I bought that shirt specifically to be ruined,
Oh, that's right. I remember.
which is why it looks like I don't even know.
It's like wrinkled and like...
Weird
funny.
stripes, like sort of
and the way that you
blousy.
wiped off your hands, like you weren't really sure if you wanted to,
Yeah,
Like you were
But
still
you
like,
caught
well,
but
maybe.
you still get blood all over your shirt.
it definitely. Oh, and the pictures.
Yeah, and these were
That
Reuben's.
looks like
this
the
is Reuben's
crocodile
artwork.
drawing. Reuben, you
Yes.
drew the crocodile drawing. It didn't just come
Maybe
from
I
the internet.
did. Yes, I did draw these though.
Do you still have those? They might be worth something.
No, they're not, and they never will be. Well, oh, and I said God saves on the picture of the church. I never noticed that until well, I did when I made it, but
You
I had
didn't
forgotten.
You don't remember doing it? Oh my God. Maybe it was God making
Oh,
you
goodness.
write it.
Is the next one with Samson Hingus with a really long arm?
No, that's his neck. That's really.
Oh, his neck.
No, I think that's the last one you showed.
David Cameron, not the best David Cameron.
It's not bad.
No,
Not
it's
the
just
worst
I don't know if
David
it's
Cameron.
recognizable. You can definitely tell the next one. Good flag though, I think.
I think
Also,
the
his
black
hand
shark
is
looks
backwards. His hand
Yeah.
doesn't make no.
I like that
doesn't
he's-
make
I
any
like that
sense.
he's holding it that
yeah,
way.
that's weird. I didn't look that.
David Cameron could do that with his hand. It's why he was elected.
You just stop talking and listen to me.
See, like, I think you know who that is right away somehow.
Gus Fring from Breaking
Yeah,
Bad.
exactly. Giancarlo Esposito, but yeah.
Actually, there's an American flag that he's waving because, in Black Shuck right here is in a box that says delivery to the USA because somebody in America.
All 8 states of the United States.
And you're pretty close on each black shuck. They look pretty consistent.
right?
Yeah, it was a pretty good. Also, I think Barack Obama has about 8 fingers in that image.
Wow, so you really got it down to every actual detail. That's impressive.
With the enormous neck.
The truth is out.
I was witnessing it. So a dog killed him in the woods. Is that what you're saying?
Even that's not even a big
That
deal.
same old
Okay,
story.
So a dog. He just got mauled to death by a dog. Whatever.
Here's what we do. There's actually
A rabid dog.
keep the menace that I'm no trap. What needs to be done, and since we're all so deep, this concerns all of us. We have to take what I assume that's probably the possessed totem that Black Shark is currently inhabiting.
That's the possessed totem. This goofy.
The fucking Simpsons.
It looks
ghost.
like Lenny Leonard.
Right.
That's why we called it that. Is that even in the?
No, yeah, that's what I say. It looks like a bit like Lenny from The Simpsons.
Okay, there we go.
Can you maybe say it with me?
Matt's down for it. He's like, yeah, okay, I got you.
Cool. Ancient
Exactly what we
Gregorian
have to do.
chant.
Whatever it takes.
You're really game for this. Matt
I've always
Henry's
wanted to read
character.
something like that, like I'm reading from the Necronomicon, but it's just the Black Shark thing instead.
Can you really look like you're trying, like you're
Yeah.
concentrating?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
buy
yeah.
this story hook, line, and sinker.
Oh, for sure.
Immediately.
Immediately. Oh shit! Here we go.
What the?
Ryan pukes blood on me in here, but I don't think
Yeah.
it gets picked up very
No,
well.
well,
No one
you-
knows. 'cause
There's a
he's-
huge spot. There's a huge spot.
So again, we're filming all this in my basement. That is a window that we didn't open. There just was not a window there, and
Yep.
there hadn't been for years. It was
Yeah.
just plugged with pillows and stuffed animals. We just popped
Okay,
it
you
off,
do
and I
actually
fell
see
right
this.
in.
Yep. Yeah, that was, man.
That made
And
the
I was
basement
scared
pretty
for your
cold
safety.
sometimes.
And
And
I'm reminded.
Ryan made that blood, and it looks good.
It is really
That's
good.
I think the best fake blood we ever had.
Yeah, it looks really good.
And you guys, I think everybody sells it. Like,
I don't know what I'm doing with my
Like,
leg
that's
right
good.
there. Like I don't know why I didn't like.
and then I just pick it up off the table.
I have
You
like a
guys,
s- yeah,
you
that's
guys
good.
couldn't get it to.
I always wish I like had a more of a loose leg there. Instead of
Loose
a
leg,
stiff one. Yeah.
I think this is
You-
one of
you
the
w- you
most
went through a
best
lot,
edited.
Captain.
I think
Right.
this is one of the most best edited scenes you've done, Joseph. This couldn't look better.
Yeah, I was happy with it, and this was such a fucking pain to do.
Terrible, man.
It was
I
cold
got
as
s-
hell,
yeah.
and we had to turn a sprinkler on.
Like,
ours.
it was October. It was almost
Yeah, it
November,
was really
you know?
chilly. Like we should have been
We
wearing
were
a coat without
we
a
were
sprinkler.
shivering.
We were
Cold.
in danger of hypothermia.
Yeah,
Yeah,
realistically.
seriously.
And then
I
I
mean,
just
it was so fucking cold.
Soaking
and then
wet.
at the end of the day, I just drove home like that.
Yeah.
Well, no, we don't actually see how I looked when I. Anyway, we'll get to that.
Yeah.
God damn, why did I not shave more back then? Christ,
We all wondered that.
really?
You wouldn't listen, man.
Yeah, dude, we gave you shit for them all the time.
You were so proud of them.
Yeah, we gave you shit
No,
for them all the time.
They got a bit unruly.
It's the same thing
feel
with
like
my
this is-
haircut, you know? It is what it is.
This is one of Reuben's most mischievous moments when he's just so gung ho
yeah.
Yeah,
about
let's take a
killing me.
second. Yeah, like,
Yeah, this is good. Getting a little feisty.
getting a little feisty.
And he's
you know?
talking to
You
like
shut-
this spirit that just is inside of Ryan.
He doesn't care that it's fucking Ryan.
The blood
love
on
this
Ryan's
insert
shirt
right
is
here.
great.
You've just killed all of us. That's what you did.
That's
what
new.
you did.
It's you.
You going soft on Chuck?
I don't have any tools.
Use your keys for all I do.
And then you use your keys when you could have used your hat. You used the smallest.
Listen to
things.
this voice.
Gee, I'm really
I
losing
think
it.
Reuben's the one that's possessed here.
Yeah, right? Well, that's what the blogs are ablaze about.
Yep. God, I look like a ventriloquist dummy covered in blood.
Yeah, that reminded me of like Chris Farley and David Spade, like you.
Yeah,
and
that was beautiful.
Yeah,
that like.
You're just
Yeah, that's. I love that line too.
what a feel good moment that is.
Just completely
Yeah, right.
aghast, like no, you gotta take her to the hospital.
It's all
Let's
good.
finish the episode.
As soon as you start caring, we're like, all right, everything's cool.
Gregorian chant to break that weird curse and get our PA. We just had to bury it. It's for Wikipedia. Hey, Ron, why don't you
Literally 6 inches in the soil.
All right, guys. Now, Thanksgiving is coming soon. Turkey season is upon us. Next week, we are coming at you pretty hard. So I hope you bring some extra
Ooh.
big pants because we're gonna fill you up on F&W.
Now, seriously.
Ryan, you just puked a lot of blood. It's still everywhere. Yeah. Did you eat anything weird? Any metal pieces, nails, anything that was
I love that. Just metal pieces.
Did you? Sharp kettle chips.
For lunch.
Oh man. And that noise.
Yep. That sold it. That made it better.
And you can see that I'm just cracking up right there. But the take was too good to not use it anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It was
I
cool.
just perfect.
So to be clear, I drove home covered in blood and looking exactly like a. At least.
And actually, that
which is-
Simpsons ghost is still buried in that same spot to this day.
Yes.
Yes.
it is.
So,
just
From
just
that
not
moment.
even 6 inches.
Yeah.
so if you wanna, go on a little treasure hunt, you can find out where I live somehow with
What
some
are you,
internet
nuts?
sleuthing.
Go to my
and,
dad's house and just
Yeah, go to Ryan's
dig in
dad's
his
house.
hole.
Just,
Dig in his hole.
go dig in the-
dig a
But
hole
be
in his
careful.
yard.
Nah, don't
Be
dig in
careful.
Ryan's dad's hole.
No,
I mean, if he's willing to let you dig in his
Oh,
hole, then
sorry.
dig the hole. But just be careful because Black Shuck will be there.
Now, you said 6 inches, like, instead of 6 feet. Was that the idea?
Yeah, 6
I
inches.
actually remember reading about Black Shuck for whatever reason and the actual, the history to it. And I believe it was specified for some reason that you have to dig it 6 inches into the ground.
Oh, that was a real thing.
I thought you were just shortening
Oh.
6 feet. Like, well, we're not going to dig 6 feet. So how about
Maybe
6
I'm
inches?
maybe I'm mistaken, but that's a really specific thing to have made up in my head.
I could have sworn that you told me.
You
I
that.
thought
make
it
specific
seems-
things up a lot in your
yeah.
head.
It seems like a thing you would make up for sure.
Oh, then maybe. I don't know, actually. I'm pretty sure it's actually written on somewhere that you gotta, I don't know.
I just want to get 6 inches deep in Ryan's dad's hole. So anyway, that was the episode Ghostbusted. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
I hope you ghostbusted on that one. All right, we'll see you in the next one.